नमस्ते स्टूडेंट्स, खुश रहो बेटियों। आई JVN Dr. Naren Singh Shekhawat, Assistant Professor, Department of Salyatantra, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur. In previous class, we discussed about esophageal disorder like congenital anomalies of disorders, congenital anomalies, congenital anomalies of esophagus, uh, like uh, like esophageal stenosis, tracheoesophageal fistula, etc. Now, today's class we will discuss about esophagitis. Esophagitis means inflammation of esophagus. These are the contents of this sessions: introduction, anatomy, histology, signs, symptoms, causes, grading of COT, complications, test and diagnosis, treatment. Start from introduction. It is inflammation that damages tissue of the esophagus, the muscular tube that diverts food from your mouth to your stomach. Esophagitis often cause painful difficult in swallowing and chest pain. Cause of esophagitis include stomach acid backing up into the esophagus, infection, oral medication, and allergies. Treatment of esophagitis depend on the underlying causes and the severity of tissue damage. It left untreated, esophagus may change the structure and function of the esophagus. This is the esophagus anatomy. This is the pathology of esophagus, histopathology. Mostly is mucosa, then submucosa, muscular layers, sign and symptoms. Abdominal pain, adenophagia. Adenophagia means pain in when swallowing. Dysphagia means difficulty in swallowing. Food gets stuck in the esophagus, lack of appetite, nausea, and possibly vomiting, cough, pain when eating, heartburn, mouth sores, feeding difficulties, and subsequently possible failures to thrive in young children and this age. These are the symptoms of esophagitis. Causes most known causes GERD or GORD. GERD means gastrointestinal esophageal reflux disorders, known as reflux esophagitis. Allergens, some medications, infections like fungal, viral. This is the grading of severity of esophagitis: grade 1, grade A, grade B, grade C, grade D. This is the parameters of grading. Complications. Left untreated, esophagus can lead to change in the structure and function of the esophagus. Possible complications include narrowing of the esophagus called esophageal structures, ring of abnormal tissue in the lining of the esophagus, it's called esophageal rings. Barrett esophagus, a condition in which the cell lining of esophagus are changed, a condition that a risk factor of esophageal cancer. Test and diagnosis. Barium X-ray, endoscopy, laboratory tests, and allergen test. These are the tests for not treatment. Treatment for esophagus depend on its cause. Possible treatments include medications that block acid production such as heartburn, drugs, antibiotics, antifungal or antivirals to treat an infection, pain medication that can be gargled or swallowed, corticosteroid medication to reduce inflammations, intravenous nutrition to allow esophagus to heal and to prevent dehydration and malnutrition, endoscopic to remove any loose pills fragments, surgery to remove the damaged part of the esophagus. Lifestyle modifications. These are the lifestyle modifications. Elevate the head of the bed 6 inch. stop smoking, reduce meal size, avoid bedtime snacks, reduce dietary fat, lose weight if overweight, avoid क्या avoid करना आपको chocolate, carminative, spearmint, peppermint coffee and tea, cola beverage, tomato juice, citrus fruits juice, etc. These are the reference of uh, this sessions. Thank you, students. Hope you are satisfied with this digital session powered by digital session 2.0 with the David Owens University. If you have any doubts or queries, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you.